Good day everyone, my name is Fatima Jara J. Dionga from BT Betted FSM2A. Today, I will gonna tackle about the formal situations in requiring informative communications. And that is the public lecturer, the status report, the briefing, and the free side chats, and the chat talk. When we say the informal situation requiring informative communication, these are situations where information is shared in a clear, organized, and professional way. The purpose is to inform people, not to entertain or persuade. This type of communication is usually planned and follows important details. Okay, let's talk about the public lecturer. When we say the public lecturer, as a result of a person's special interest or expertise, he may be invited to give a public lecture to a community, group, or club. And we say that a public is a formal given to a large group because the speaker has expertise in a certain topic. Its purpose is to inform or educate the audience. Example, the doctor gives lecture in a community hall about how to prevent dengue fever. Okay. Number 2, the status report. Every business or social group must be kept up to date on its various projects. Periodically, the group will ask knowledgeable persons to give a status report including what has been accomplished so far and what's planned exists for the future. The status report is a formal update about the progress of a project, including what has been completed and what will be done next. Example, a team leader presents a report showing that 70% of a school project is finished and explain that remaining tasks. Number 3 is the briefing. When we say the briefing, this is a very common information speech used to tell members of a group about change in policy or procedure. Briefing is a short and direct talk that gives important information or instructions obtained about changes or updates. Example, principal briefs teachers about new school rules before the start of the semester. Number 4, the free side chats. This usually features group leader addressing the concerns, worries, and issues at the moment. When we say the free side chat is a more relaxed discussion where a leader talks to a group to address concerns and answer questions and give assurance. Example, when we say company manager talks with employees in an open forum about workplace concerns and listen to their feedback. Number 5, the chalk talk. The chalk talk, the speaker given a chalk talk rules relies on a visual aid such as chalkboard. And we say chalk talk is a presentation where the speaker uses a board or visual aid to explain ideas clearly. Example, math teacher solves equations step by step on the board while explaining the process to the class. And that's all for my topic. And thank you everyone.